Now let's solve the exercises. Okay. Now we are solving exercises 1.2. Okay. See the first main. Find the quotient. Okay. We have to find the quotient here. What's the first question? 16 divided by minus 4. This is simple, right? So now let's solve this one. 16 divided by minus 4. Correct? This is what the format. Now let's tell the fourth table now. 4 ones are 4 fours is what? 16, right? So we are getting minus 4 as the result. Correct? So minus 4 is the result. We have a negative sign, that's why we are keeping that negative sign as it is. Okay. Now see the next one. Minus 1000 divided by minus 10. Right? Now let's write this. Minus 1000 divided by minus 10. Correct? So now, see how we can do this one. 0 get cancelled out. Correct? So what's remaining? 100 is remaining. Anyways, by 1, whatever you divide, you will get the same result. We learned in identity property, right? So here, what's the result? 100 is the result. Here we have a 2 sign. Negative sign and the negative sign in the numerator as well as in the denominator, right? What will happen here? Negative and negative will get cancelled out. Okay. Negative to negative is what? Positive, right? So our answer will be positive. Okay. These two negative signs will get cancelled out, right? So plus 100 is our answer and here minus 4 is our answer. Okay. See the third question now. 0 divided by minus 8, right? Let's write this. 0 divided by minus 8. We learned this in a zero property, right? If you have a numerator 0, okay, and denominator you have some values, that time what happens? You will get the 0 as the result. That's what the zero property, right? In division. So here we are getting 0 as the result. 0 doesn't have negative sign nor a positive sign. Okay. So here 0 is our result. Now let's see the fourth question. See here. 601 divided by minus 1. Okay. Let's write this. 601 divided by minus 1. Correct? Any number is divided by 1 or a negative 1. What happens? You will get the same result, right? So you are getting the same result. But think here, you have a negative sign. Only one negative sign is there. And here we have a positive sign, right? Here we have a positive sign. Here we have a negative sign. So the result will be negative. Negative into positive is what? Negative, right? So here we are getting negative result. Negative 601. Okay. This is what our answer. See the next main. Do the following division and check your answer with multiplying the divisor and the quotient. Okay. We have to do normal division and also we have to check our answer. Okay. Now let's solve this one. Minus 42 divided by minus 14. Okay. How we can do this one? Minus 14 divisor and here minus 42 we have. Minus minus get cancelled out, right? So here also we cannot take that one. No need to take. Okay. 14 is there. So here also no need to take the negative sign. Anyways, negative into negative is positive, right? We will get a positive result. So now let's tell the 14th table. 14 ones is what? 14. 14 twos is what? 28. 14 threes is what? 42. Right? 14 threes are 42. So here we are getting 0 as the result. Reminder. Great. Now let's multiply divisor and the quotient. If we get same result, then our answer is right, otherwise wrong. This is what checking method, that's it. Okay, let's multiply. 14 is the divisor and we got the 3 as the quotient, right? Let's multiply these two things. 4 3s is what? 12, 2 over here and 1 over here, right? Then 3 1s is what? 3. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. So we got 42 as the result. Correct? This is what? Checking. This is what checking, right? We are getting the same result, so our answer is right. Okay? See the next question. Minus 1 is divided by minus 1, right? Minus 1 is divided by minus 1. So minus and minuses will got what happened? Minus and minus will get cancelled out. Minus and minus will get cancelled out. What's our result? Result will be 1. Correct? We'll do normal division now. 1 and here also we are getting 1. Correct? That is also minus 1 and here also minus 1 we have. 1 1 is what? Minus 1 1 is what? Minus 1. So this is what? Positive, because negative 1 and positive 1 will come minus 1, right? So here what is that result? 0 is our result. Correct? Now let's multiply the divisor and the quotient. Okay? Minus 1 into positive 1. So what will happen here? So we are getting minus 1 as the result. Okay? This is what? Checking. See here, this is what the checking. Checking also no need, because this is minus 1, right? Only 1, identity property. We can directly state this one. 1 and 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 divided by 1 is also 1. Simple. No need of checking and no need of division. Right? Now let's see the next question. See the next question here. 0 is divided by minus 5. Correct? 0 is in the numerator. Minus 5 is in the denominator. Correct? We already learned this in a 0 property. Correct? If 0 in a numerator, then obviously the result will be 0. Correct? See, we wrote 0. Right? Do normal multiple division. Minus 5. 0 we have here. Zeros are 0 only, right? We have to take 0 only. Let's multiply 0 and 5. Minus 5 is multiplied with 0. What is the answer? 0 is the right answer. Correct? In 0 property, multiplication of 0 property, in that we learn anything is multiplied by 0 means obviously you will get the result as 0. 0 is divided by any number, the result will always be 0. That's it. Okay? See the fourth question. Minus 150 is divided by 30. Okay? Let's write this. Minus 150 divided by 30. Correct? So here we can cancel 0 and 0. Right? It is same, no? So why should we keep that 0 as it is? We can cancel it. Okay? 0 and 0 we can cancel. Now we have to divide 15 by 3. Minus 15 should be divided by 3. Correct? So 3, how much are 15? 3 5 is 15. 3 5 is what? 15. But we want negative value. Correct? So here we have to take negative sign. So here we will get negative. So we will get cancelled out. So here what? 0 is the result. So minus 5 into 3 is what? Minus 15. Correct? Now let's check this answer. 3 into minus 5. 3 5s are 15. Plus into minus is what? Minus. So we are getting the same result. Correct? Now we are getting the same answer. 15. Here we cancel the 0 0. That's why we are getting this 15. That's it. Okay.